Hello friends, I welcome you all on the platform Don't Memorize, Just Clear the Concept. How are you doing? I hope you all are keeping well. Today we are going to begin with our next exercise, that is exercise number 2.5. Sometimes the equations may not even be linear to begin with, but they can be brought to a linear form by multiplying a suitable expression on both the sides of the equation or cross multiplying them. So, in this lecture we would learn to solve the equations which are in the form of rational numbers. So, this would be your learning outcome, that after having this video lesson you would be able to solve the equations which are in the form of rational numbers. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. So friends, today we are going to start the exercise number 2.5. Here in this exercise we have variables on both the sides of the equation but in the rational form. So let us check it out how to solve these sums. Here we are with our first example. It says x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. Now you can see that here the variable is on both the sides of the equation. As we have solved earlier problems, we would shift the variables on one side of the equation and constants on the other side of the equation. But when we transpose or when we shift any linear number, any variable or any constant to the other side, we change its sign. So now, because we have to find out the value of x, so we would transpose this x upon 3 to the left hand side of the equation and minus 1 upon 5 to the right hand side of the equation. But when we would transpose x upon 3 to the left hand side, it would become minus x upon 3. And when we transpose minus 1 upon 5 to the other side, it would become plus 1 upon 5. Okay. So, here it would become x upon 2 minus x upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5. Here we have 2 in the denominator, 3 in the denominator. So we can take the LCM of this. What we would do, we would take the LCM of 2 and 3, which comes out to be 6. Now 6 divided by 2, we got 3, and 3 multiplied by x, we got 3x. Minus 6 divided by 3, we got 2, 2 multiplied by x, we got 2x is equal to, here the LCM of 4 and 5, that is equal to 20. Now 20 divided by 4, we got 5, 5 multiplied by 1, we got 5 is to 1 is equal to 5. Now 20 is there, we have to divide 20 by 5, it comes out to be 4, 4 multiplied by 1, we got 4. Now solving this, 3x minus 2x is equal to 1x upon 6 is equal to 5 plus 4 becomes 9 upon 20. So we can write it like the way 1x upon 6 is equal to 9 upon 20. Now because we have to find out the value of this variable x, so we would transpose this 6 to the other side. Now this is in the division. When we shift it to the other side, it would be converted into the multiplication. Okay, so we got x is equal to 9 upon 20 multiplied by 6. Now let us simplify it. 2 3s are 6 and 2 10s are 20. I think so it can't be simplified further, है ना? So multiplying 9 by 3, we got 27 upon 10. So we got the value of x is equal to 27 upon 10, which is the required answer or the value of variable x. Let us move on to the next example. Here is our next problem. It says x plus 7 minus 8x upon 3 is equal to 17 upon 6 minus 5x upon 2. Now what we would do? We would transpose this 5x minus 5x upon 2 to the left hand side and this 7 to the right hand side. We know that it would be converted into the positive sign when we shift it to the left hand side. So let us see. X minus 8x upon 3 plus this 5x upon 2, we shifted it to the left hand side and it got converted into the positive sign, is equal to 17 upon 6. We transposed this 7 to the right hand side, so it got converted into the minus 7. Now we would take the LCM of 1, 3 and 2. It comes out to be 6. Now 6 divided by 1, we got 6. 6 multiplied by x, we got 6x. Minus 6 divided by 3, we got 2. 2 multiplied by 8x, we got 16x. Plus 6 divided by 2, we got 3. 3 multiplied by 5x is equal to 15x, is equal to, taking the LCM of 1 and 6, we got 6 in the LCM as LCM. Now dividing 6 by 6, we got 1. 1 multiplied by 17, we got 17. Minus here 1, 6 divided by 1, we got 6. 6 multiplied by 7, we got 42. Now here we would add the positive terms. 6x would be added into the 15x. It becomes 21x minus 16. If we add these two terms, then it becomes 21x minus 16x upon 6 is equal to, solving this 42 minus 17, because 42 is negative sign term is bigger than the positive sign, so here it would come with the negative sign. The 25 would be with the negative sign. If we subtract 17 from 42, it comes out to be 25 upon 6. Now here denominator in both of the terms is 6, so we can cancel these. 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. So we come up with 5x is equal to minus 25, and now x is equal to minus 25 upon 5. We transposed this 5 to the other side because here it is multiplied with x. When we transpose it to the other side, it would go in the division. Okay, simplifying it, 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25, and x comes out to be minus 5, which is the required value. Okay, so let us move on to our next problem. Here is our next problem. Let us read it out. m minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. As we have done earlier, in earlier examples, we would transpose all the variable terms to the left hand side and constant terms we would put on the right hand side. So let us do here m minus 2 upon 3 is a negative sign. When we transpose it to the left hand side, it would be converted into the positive sign. So let us do m minus 1 upon 2 minus sign converted into the positive sign, m minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 1. Again, as we have done in the earlier example, we would take the LCM of 1, 2 and 3. It would come out to be 6. Okay, 6. Now 6 divided by 1, we got 6. 6 multiplied by m, 6m, minus 6 divided by 2, we got 3. 3 multiplied by m minus 1, plus 6 divided by 3, we got 2. 2 multiplied by m minus 2 is equal to 1. Now we would transpose this 6 to the left hand side. Okay, if this is in the division sign, when we transpose it to the other side, it would convert into the multiplication. Okay, first of all let us solve these brackets. 6m minus 3 multiplied by m, 3m, and minus 3 multiplied by minus 1. We know that minus when we multiply by minus with minus, it becomes plus. Then minus 3 multiplied by minus 1, it becomes 3. 2 multiplied by m, 2m. 2 multiplied by minus 2, it becomes minus 4 is equal to 1. Now we transposed 6 to the other side. Yeah, you can check it out here again. 6m minus 3m plus 3 plus 2m minus 4 is equal to 6 multiplied by 1, it becomes 6. Now solving this, 6m plus 2m, it would become 8m. Okay, 8m minus 3m, and we would transpose these 3 and 4 to the other side. Plus 3 would become minus 3 and minus 4 would become 4. Okay, now 8m minus 3m is equal to 6 minus 3 plus 4. Solving this, we got 5m is equal to 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So we got 5m is equal to 7. And m is equal to 7 upon 5. How this come? You know very well that here 5 is multiplied with m. When we transpose it to the other side, it would be converted into the division. So here we go with our answer. M's value is 7 upon 5. Hey, here is another problem. Let us solve it. 0.25 multiplied by 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05. Round bracket start. 10f minus 9 bracket close. So let us begin. First of all, we would apply the distributive property here. We would multiply 0.25 with 4f and 0.25 with 3. Similarly, we would multiply 0.05 with 10f and 0.05 with 9. Multiplying 25.25 with 4, we got 1.00 into f minus 25 multiplied by 3, it comes out to be 75, and here we go with our decimal, it comes out to be 0.75 is equal to 0.05 multiplied by 10, we got 0.5f minus 9 multiplied by 5, we got 45. Leaving the last two terms, we got decimal at 0.45. Okay, now it has become the equation like we have solved earlier. We would transpose these variable terms on the left hand side and constant terms on the right hand side. Let us transpose this 0.5 to the right hand side of the equation. We got 1f minus, this is in positive sign, it would be converted into the negative sign, is equal to minus 0.45 is already here, and this minus 0.75, when we would transpose it to the other side, it would be converted into the positive sign. So it becomes minus 4.5 plus 0.75. Okay, when we subtract 0.5 from 1, we again got 0.5f is equal to, subtracting 0.745 from 0.75, we got 0.30. Now we would transpose 0.5 to the other side. We got 0.30 upon 0.5. Further simplifying it, removing the decimals, we got 30 upon 100 multiplied by, here decimal goes and we come up with 10 upon 5. Let us simplify it. 10 ones are 10 and 10 tens are 100. 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30. So it couldn't be simplified more, I think so. So let us multiply 6 by 1 and 10 by 1. It comes out to be 6 upon 10. Here we are with the value of f which is required, that is equal to 6 upon 10. Dun, dun, dun. If we again convert it into the decimal, it
would come f is equal to 0.6. Now it's time for you to give it a try. Here I am presenting you two problems which you have to solve yourself. Write down the statements, write down the problem in your notebook and give it a try to solve it. Here I am also providing you the answers, so check out your answers. Here the value of n is equal to 36 and value of t is equal to 2. So give them a try. Okay? So I think so. With this we have completed exercise 2.5. It's all for today. See you in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye and take care. Thank you for watching.